Morning, y'all. So today we're going back to Target 1, like we did last week, but as you can see, today's focus is we're changing the game a little bit. It's going to be a fraction times a fraction, right? So that's literally the only thing we're changing about the game. Okay, your score is the difference between your product and one whole, and then after 5 rounds, add up all your scores, and whoever has the lowest total score wins. Okay, so instead of picking 3 cards or getting 3 numbers, you're going to pick 4 cards or 4 numbers because we've got 4 spaces here. Right, so again, keep this in mind. You'd also want to set up your scoreboard similar to this. Okay, so let's say I were given the cards 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Couple different ways that you could do this, right? So one way I could do is, all right, I'm going to go 3/5 times 4/7. Okay. And then I would solve that like I did here. And I get 12/35, right? So that's my product. But then my score would be, all right, what's the difference between this and one whole? Since my denominator is 35, one whole here is 35/35. Take away 12/35, left with 23/35. So that would be my score for that round. So I would come back here and I would write in 23/25. Now, it's not the only way you could have done it, right? I mean, I could have simply made it, just switch this a little bit and make it 5/3 times 4/7. And then I would have solved it like this. 5/3 times 4/7 would be 20/21. So then 21/21, because remember, since my denominator here is 21, the one whole would be 21/21. Then subtract 20/21, because that was our product. And then 1/21 was our score. Now, I'm not going to answer this, but think about, what score would you rather have? 1/21 or 23/25? I know which one I would want. So you play 5 times, your partner plays 5 times, right? 5 rounds, total score. Same deal as last time, and I don't think I switched this. But all you need a pencil, pen, dry erase marker, something, and then paper or whiteboard, and then a deck of cards. Remember, if you do not have one, I've put a link for some numbers for you to get online as well. You're gonna, same thing as last time, it's 2 rounds, okay? Play with anyone, right? It could be someone at home. You could FaceTime with someone, with a friend or a cousin, or a relative. And I have office hours today between 10 and 11. So if you need to play with me, okay, I'd be happy to beat you. I mean, play with you from 10 to 11, all right? I miss playing gaming, playing games with you guys. So I hope some of you stop by. If you have literally no one to play with, okay, message me on Schoology. All right, if you are sleeping in late and you don't get started until like 11, let's say, because technically my office hours are closed and it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you realize, oh no, I need someone to play with, no one's around, message me. I'd be happy to set up a Zoom so you and I can play. All right, I want you to be able to be successful with this. Okay, then you're going to go into Schoology and answer a discussion post. That's it today. Okay, pretty easy, laid back, fun day. That is it. All right, so please message me if you have any questions. Come to office hours to either play or ask questions. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.